Hey, my wonderful geometry students. So this is your last assignment for the entire 2019-2020 school year for your geometry class. Alright guys, so topic 11 is all about 3D shapes, and I kind of shortened it and condensed it. So first things first is we're going to talk about volume. What if someone hits the mute button? Alright guys, so let's get right into it. So, shapes with two bases, okay? So prisms have two bases, okay? All surfaces are flat, have two bases, and named by the shape of the base, okay? So, okay, guys. So, the red shape, okay, this one over here, this red shape, is called a hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism, because the bases are hexagons. Okay, you have two bases, so you're only going to have two bases. So it would be like the front and the back. Okay, that's a hexagonal prism. The Rubik's Cube is you can either call it a square prism because it's really got a square base, or you can call it a rectangular prism. Okay, now this one down here, this is called a triangular prism, because the bases are they're triangles, right? The front and the back is a triangle. So the way it kind of looks like, I don't have my doorstop here, but you guys in the classroom, right? Those wooden door stops. That's a triangular prism, okay? So then we can also talk about cylinders as one curved surface and two bases. So the bases are going to be your circles. Okay, it's like a can, right? The top and the bottom of a can, like a food can, is a circle. And then you've got the tube, all right, part. So there you go. We're going to talk about prisms and cylinders. Guys, the dogs are being annoying. So the volume formula for 3D shapes with two bases, okay, is volume equals big B. Big B. Uppercase B times H. Uppercase B. That is really, really, really important. Uppercase B. Alright? So, what is the difference between little b and big B? They both mean base, right? Kinda, yes. But, okay, volume equals big base times the height. And so the base is going to be like the part where it sets on. Okay, it's the part that it gets sat on. So area, okay, the little base, okay, that's 2D. Okay, when you talk about like a triangle, okay, we did area of a triangle not too long ago. We did area of a triangle, and this line on the bottom, that was your base, right? That was your B. Well, when we talk about 3D shapes, big B is the area of the base. It's not just one measurement, it's area. It's area of the base. Okay? So, let me see, let's grab this here. Alright, we've got this. This is my cup for my pencils and stuff. But right here, this is our circular base, okay? And our circular base, the area of it, so we'd be finding the area of the circle, okay? Which area of a circle is pi times r squared. So, let's keep going. Boom, knocking it along. What is the area of the base? So area, like I said, we're just looking at the base. We're looking at the bottom face that it's sitting down at. So, if we're looking at the cup, right, the cup sits down here on the base. So this is a box. I don't have a box. I got a tissue box. Boom, tissue box. Perfect. Okay, this, where it sits down at, okay, right, it sits here on the table. That's your base. So we got to find the area of like this shape right here. The area of the rectangle. So, we're going to do the area of the base is 8 times 5. And 8 times 5 is... Sorry, I had to pause the video, but my puppy is acting like a butthole right now. So, alright. So, like I said, 8 times 5, that's 40. Okay, and what is the height? The height is this side right here. That's 5. So, we've got to take the area of the base. So, volume equals big B times by the height. And our big B is 40. So we're going to do 40 times 5. And 40 times 5 is equal to 200 units. And it's cubed this time, not squared. Now it's cubed because we're working with 3 dimensions, okay? Volume is always cubed. Just like area is always squared, volume is always cubed. So 40 is big B. Alright, let's keep going. Not too bad, okay? Nothing too crazy. Like I said, you're just finding area of the base, and you're multiplying it by the height. So you're like multiplying 3 things together. Boom. What is the area of the base? So, the area of the base, okay, we're working, it's a circle, right? That's a circle. So it's area equals pi r squared. And we're going to round to the 10th. Okay. So our r is 3. So area equals pi times by 3 squared. And 3 squared is 9 times pi. And 9 times pi is equal to 28.27. Like I said, pi times 9 or 9 times pi is 28.27. Okay. The height for this is over here, and it's 6. So h equals 6. So what is the volume? Volume equals big B times by the height. Okay, and again, this is your big B. So volume is equal to 28.27 times by 6. So 28.27 times 6 is equal to 169.62 millimeters cubed. Okay, guys. So, alright. Nothing too crazy. Like you said, you just have to find the area of the circle and times it by the height of the cylinder. So it would be like finding the area of the base and then timesing it by the height of this, okay? The height of the cup. So what is the area of the base? And the base is the triangles here. It's the triangles on the side, okay? Like, I don't have anything here that's like that. But, it really reminds me of like a doorstop that you put in the door. I'm sure you've seen them. You've been in the classroom, right? So, the doorstop that we kick in the door. So we're going to find the area of the base. And remember, area of a triangle, so area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 little b times the height. Okay, so this is going to be our big base. So big B is equal to 1/2, base is 12. Base is 12. 12 times 9 is the height. So times 9. Boom, boom. And I am running out of room. Running out of room. So let's bring that part down. And then we've got more room. Alright. So 1/2 of 12. 12 times 9. 1/2. So 12 times 9 is 108. And then you're going to divide that by 2 or multiply by 0.5. Either way works, and that's fine. But it's equal to 54 centimeters squared. So our base, okay, that triangle, the area of the triangle is 54 centimeters squared. Now it's going to ask what is the height, and our height comes from here. That's the 18 centimeters. So you're going to take the 54 and multiply it by 18. So volume equals big B times by H. So volume equals 54 times 18. 54 times 18 is equal to 972 centimeters cubed. Boom. Boom. Alright. Pause the video if you have questions. Okay, guys. And, reach out to me, okay? I want to help you guys. So some of you have been really awesome, and you've really, like, reached out to me and been like, hey, Miss Bean, I need help, I need help, I need help. And that's fine, and we've video chatted one-on-one, and that is a great thing, okay? I would love to video chat with you guys one-on-one. It really helps. It really helps you guys, and it helps me, right? I'm bored. I'm waiting for you guys to tell me stuff. So I'm really waiting for you guys to ask questions before I go ahead and, you know, I can answer them, but I can't answer them if I don't know. So if you got questions, let me know. What is the area of the base? So, the area of the base, remember this is a circle, right? This is a cylinder. So, we got to use the area equals pi r squared formula, because it's area of a circle. And, so big B is equal to pi r is 4, okay, and I'm pulling that from right there. So r is 4 squared. So, pi times 4. And like I said, I'm going to round that. And I'm going to round it to the second decimal spot, so the 100th spot. And it's 12.566. Well, because that second 6, I have to round it to 12.57. So what is the height? And that is millimeters squared. Millimeters squared. That's our area of the base, right? The area of the base. So, what is the height? The height is 6. I pulled that from there. So then we're just going to take the 12.57 and multiply it by 6. And I'll use a dot. 12.57 times 6, and that is 75.42 millimeters cubed. Okay, don't forget the millimeters cubed part. Millimeters, helpful if. Millimeters cubed. Not squared, but cubed. Okay. Alright. Let's keep going. You try, okay? So, practice. Kodak is trying to find the volume of a cylinder with a radius of 6 meters and a height of 4 meters. Below is his work. Identify the first line with the error. So, decide which one he makes an error at. So, okay? Might have to pause the video. You can look at the blank printable notes, okay? Either way. Alright, guys. Pay attention to the next video that I'm going to post.